This is Nick's Nifty Nature Knowledge with an N. Knowledge is with an N instead of K. But there's a lot of trees in nature, so it can get hard to keep track of them all. So if you come here, you can see the serial number. This is the 652nd tree that's here. This one doesn't have a serial number because when they fall down, they get removed. They take them off to reuse them. Because those tags, there's only so many of them. That's poop. There's not a lot of moss on this side, but on this side, you can see there's a lot of moss. So what this means is that the sea is this way. The moss will always point to the sea. It means that there's probably some sort of a lighthouse or a fisherman's wharf nearby, but not this way. If you were to not want to go to the sea, you would book it that way. You would run as fast as you can. So trees are covered in hard paper, which is bark. And you can tell that this tree, by looking at its rings around it, that it's years old, a certain number of them, and it goes up. So this happens when a bunch of little
critters get in there and dig around
for sap and gold. Sap is liquid gold, but sometimes trees also have hard sap, and that's called gold. So oftentimes nature will imitate man and the things that we do. So that plane is so fucking loud. Holy shit. So oftentimes nature will try to imitate man. And we have such an instance here where this tree is sort of doing like a lawn flamingo. People get them like in their lawn, and that's what this is emulating.
Alvin! Sure you don't want to talk about that?
Yeah, no, that's not like a real thing. I'm not here to fucking entertain or joke around. I'm here to impart my nature knowledge, and I just want to be taken seriously, and I want to join the ranks of like Steve Irwin, Jane Goodall, Crocodile Dundee. Don't laugh at me. When you're out in nature, a lot of times you'll see little markers like this. I've heard these conspiracy theories out there about their trail markers. Nature doesn't make trails. These trees, they're gang affiliated.
Nature doesn't make trails.
If you're out here bird watching because you like birds or because you're a virgin, then you might want to try bird calling to call the birds to you so you can watch them. So you got to find a good tree like this, right? It's a pretty good one. Right, you just perch like a bird. Sometimes if it's mating season, you can get off. We're deep in fucking gang territory now. Gotta keep moving. Trees are everywhere, and so holy fuck, look at that vulture.
Do you want me to turn?
Okay. Right there, man. Shit.
There's a bunch of them. Yeah, there's actually a ton of them. No, okay, you're right. They're vultures.
is-
Look at them all.
Woo! That's a lot of birds. In nature, you can often find yourself in a crevasse, such as this, and you gotta get back up, but how? So you gotta look for branches that you can, like, grab on. Here we have nature's glory hole. Nice. Here we have one of nature's most, something that happens in nature a lot. This is, rocks are magnetic and they kind of together. If enough time passes without, like erosion or people, clump together to form the rock walls. And it's really cool. And if we're using all of our previous knowledge, we can say, oh shit, the sea's that way. I'm not trying to sail. I'll be on my merry way. More poopy. A lot of, people, I know they pack their protein bars and their drinks and all that stuff, and that's fine, but a true nature expertise knows where to look to find food all around. So you're walking along the trail and you're thinking, boy, I'm hungry. So you take out, a salad or, apples or something stupid you made at home, like a stupid, poopy, idiot, moron baby head. But me, I'm out here, I'm hungry. I forage for food. And what do you know? Mother Nature has delivered this delicious sandwich. That is a good one. So oftentimes in nature we hear about survival of the fittest, and the big tough guy is the winner and the little guy's dead because he's not the one that's the winner, because that was the big guy who's the winner and the little one loses. And so nature knows that, and so it makes these gladiatorial arenas so that species can naturally select themselves out of existence. So, like, for example, say I'm in a situation where I suddenly find myself in one of these with a rabbit. It's gonna jump on me. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna strangle its little head. I'm gonna snap it off. I'm gonna rip its flesh off. I'm gonna bite the meat off. I'm gonna defecate in its skull, and then I get to keep winning and living. But if I was in here with a bear, that might be a little bit different. I might not. I'd probably lose. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like nature stuff and you want more, you just go ahead and put in the comments, I'm a dirty little piggy, if you want more. And if you don't want more nature stuff because you're stupid, then you can write, I am a cleanly cow, for no more nature videos. See that?
Yes.
He fucking sucks. I hate nature.